I think has a little bit more promising rotation on it, and I really want to start warning the people in northern Sumter County, which will eventually likely move back into Greene County. If you're in Greene County right now, the tornado warning that we were just tracking moving out of Clinton, here is where that rotation has broadened considerably, but the area that you need to watch right here, again, north of Clinton, but this is moving towards the northeast, so it is going to emerge into Tuscaloosa County. With the broadening of this rotation, I'm not sure that this tornado warning will be extended, but if you live in Romulus, if you live in Ralph, you need to go ahead and get to your safe place. It's just good to do that. Okay, bottom line, it's 7 o'clock at night, 7:30, and hey, we're all supposed to be sheltered in place anyways. It shouldn't take you long to get to the safest part of your home from there, so just make sure you're doing that. Even in Tuscaloosa, I would go ahead and hunker down for a little while, just until this little area of rotation thins out. But this looks awfully similar to things we've seen earlier in the evening, where just when we thought something was over and that broadened out just a bit, it ramped back up. So we'll still continue keeping an eye on it, but for now, I do want to show you the storm system back towards Mississippi, simply because the area of rotation is becoming a little bit more organized, and we are starting to see some signs that that is going to be intensifying as it moves over the Alabama state line. So this is back towards Electric Mills. This is in East Mississippi right now. And as this storm system moves over the state line, which it's actually in the process of doing right now, if you live along State Route 17, I would go ahead and get to your safe place. Yes, there's already a warning for this storm, but we want to make sure you know where it is, where it's coming from, and how we can be tracking this storm. Again, this is the northern part of Sumter County right now. This is just outside of Scooba, Mississippi, along Highway 45, and then this heads up 45 towards Macon. And you remember earlier today when we started all of this, the very first town that I mentioned was Macon, Mississippi on Highway 45. The storm started in Pickensville and they moved north. Now we've just taken really those same dynamics and shifted south just a little bit, because the atmosphere to our south has a lot of energy, still a lot of untapped energy there. So this is along Interstate 2059 tracking towards Tuscaloosa, and that's where we're again, I think this whole entire area, whether you have a warning right now or not, is a bit immaterial, simply because this entire space has significant potential for storm development. Anywhere that you see this white box, this is where we need to really keep a very watchful eye on over the next 45 minutes to an hour. And again, that does include the city of Tuscaloosa. Notice where we kind of have this line drawn in Tuscaloosa. That even extends back towards Coaling and Lakeview and right towards that Jefferson County line, because I actually think this cluster of storms is the one that could be impacting portions of southern Jefferson County. It was northern Jefferson County last time. It could be southern Jefferson County this time. So if you didn't have an impact from the storms that rolled through a few hours ago from Walker into Jefferson County, well, now's your turn. So that includes the Birmingham Metro and Point South, and we could be dealing with this right along Interstate 20 from Tuscaloosa all the way back towards Scooba, Mississippi right now. All right, there's our Storm Team Tower Cam, our live look from our Tuscaloosa Tower Cam, where we are seeing significant lightning out of this storm system, and we actually still have our lightning tracker on, so you can see this cluster of lightning developing right along the leading edge of this particular storm system. Let me go back to... They canceled the warning, yes. The warning has been canceled for Greene County. Sumter County still exists, but actually, we were just talking about that, how that rotation had really broadened out. So it looks like they chose not to extend it in Tuscaloosa County, and they have expired that warning with that broadening area of rotation. But what's important to note here is we are still tracking quite an active night of weather. I do want to take a tour of our sky cams really quickly, and just so we can see where things are in the state. Even though Sumter County, we tend not to, that's not technically our viewing area, we'll stay on this storm for a little while simply because it's on the map. We know that it could be moving into an area that could be right for more storm development, and that would just march right on. And the motion of these storms is moving directly into our viewing area, so we want to give you enough warn time right now. Quite a bit of lightning, quite a bit of rain, so let's take a tour of our viewing area currently. So you have storms up in Fayette. None of these are severe, but you are going to be seeing some very heavy rainfall anywhere from Lamar County up through Hamilton. Our Hamilton Skycam right now, I bet there's a A lot of rain in Hamilton. Double Springs getting a little bit of a break, but this moves. This is going to be raining itself out in Arley. And then Jasper, although it's not terribly bad in Jasper right now, there is a thunderstorm just to the south of you, but this is all tracking off to the north and to the east. Birmingham, rain is definitely picking up in the Birmingham metro as we slide across 2059 there from Gadsden. Then we've got some more moderate rainfall there in Aniana, and then we are seeing that tornado warning actually lifting north into Dalton and northwest Georgia. So it actually looks like the northern half of the state north of I-20 pretty quiet right now. And then as we've moved back towards Tuscaloosa, that lightning is really beginning to ramp up just a bit. And actually, good news is the tornado warning that we had back in Mississippi has since expired, and now a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued kind of in its place. But now we're tracking that area of rotation moving into the northern part of Sumter County. So let me go ahead and track what we're seeing there. Now, this is something that could be very common as we move through the night. So when night falls, we begin to lose a few of those key ingredients for storm development, but they still exist. It's just a matter of timing and do they mix it in the right way. But what we'll start to see a little bit more of, more than likely, is some of these storms kind of dissipating, but then maybe re-intensifying. We may not see the continuation like we would see during a daytime event where you have a lot of heat, you have a lot more moisture, you have a lot more energy. So those storms can propagate a lot longer. In the nighttime, what happens is you may see these storms broaden out in rotation, then it hits a sweet spot in the atmosphere and it re-intensifies, it bubbles up just a little bit, and then it may settle down and then bubble up once again. So we might see more ebbs and flows in the weather as we dive deeper into the night, which does add to a little bit more of the uncertainty. And that's one of the things with nocturnal storms. That's a fancy word for nighttime, but nocturnal storms can tend to provide us a few more little uncertainties as we are tracking them. So again, this storm system that we're looking at right now is the storm system moving out of Mississippi and moving obviously into Alabama there in Sumter County. Looking at our storm team velocity, it is a pretty well-defined couplet there. You can actually see on our maps where we have the green and the reds kind of coming together, but most of these scans are quite broad. So this is now starting to enter in to Alabama. I'm curious if they'll continue to keep this as a tornado warning. Although this is a broad area of circulation, we're not seeing a lot of other indicators right now, not even necessarily a distinct debris ball with this. There may be some signs of just a slight discoloration there on the map, but moreover, I'm not seeing anything that really just jumps out at me as far as a debris signature. Let's look at our hail swath really quickly because some of these storms are producing a good amount of hail. Haven't seen that with this storm, maybe down a little bit further to the south, just outside of well, really well south of Macon there, but a little bit of lightning. Not a whole lot of lightning has been, or hail has been produced recently with a lot of these storms. But while I've got this on this wide angle here, I do want to note, look at all the severe thunderstorm warnings back towards Arkansas. So again, we still have a long night of weather ahead of us as we continue tracking these particular storm systems. Nate, I'll send it to you. Do you have any updates right now on any